train is there, it is coming. So I am just standing in sector A, so just behind the engine. So I will just go further. Yes, I want to avoid crowd and get a beautiful window seat for next 1 hour. You can see still here also they are displaying timetable. So excellent. So you can see timetable wherever we go. So I will just sit in this second class. So I should go fast. Yes, no problem. People are getting down here. So it will stop for some time. Let's go to Berlin. I see train, German, going to Berlin via Bern. So I have to get down at Bern. Starting on time, 10:05. So you can see Interlaken West, departure 10:05. And it's going to Berlin. Excuse me. This is another coach. Luggage. So I have put my 2 bags here. So excellent space provided in the just in between the coach, middle of the coach. Space, but it is full raining. Can't see anything. Second stop after Interlaken West. Still raining.
Die 8 nach Zürich Hauptbahnhof, Zürich Flughafen, Romanshorn, Abfahrt um 11:02 auf Gleis.
Now it is 10:54. I have 8 minutes to change the train. So from Bern I have it Zurich from platform 2 at 11:02. So this is 3. I got down at platform 4. So you can see this is ICE train. DB Deutsche Bahn means German train. So this is platform 3 and that is platform 2. Very convenient. So you can see that train is going to Zurich, but I can't cross it. You can see do not cross the railway lines here. So I can cross it if another country, but not here. So I should not take that. No. So I have to go to platform 2. So see from here Geneva Airport train. So from that platform Zurich train. See how excellent is the connections. So we no need to wait more than 10 minutes. So now I am going to platform 2 from platform 3 and 4. So just have to take this escalator and then I have to go take that bridge and just go down with one more escalator there. So then I reach the train. See the beautiful train, you can see Zurich HB. HB means Hauptbahnhof. That means main train station. IC8. So it goes to Romanshorn. Romanshorn is the final stop, but Zurich is only 1 hour. But I have to go to Romanshorn. But I will put my luggage, store my luggage in Zurich, and then I go because I can't sightsee. I can't visit places with my suitcase, heavy suitcase. So not heavy, but it is always not possible. So this is Berlin station. Bern station. So I have 2 minutes. I have to rush. The train for next 1 hour is going to Romanshorn via Zurich. I have to go to Zurich after Bahnhof. That is main train station. So excellent. One of my favorite trains in Switzerland, in entire world. IC, Intercity in Switzerland. I can sit anywhere. There are so many places to sit and put my luggage. So I took the steps from downstairs here with a beautiful board. This is Berlin with a river and big trees and houses, but it is raining, so window is not clear, so we can't see the neighborhoods. Beautiful train journey. It is very quiet. So inside, because it is insulated by all double glasses, so I'm enjoying my ride to Zurich from Bern. It's just 1 hour, but sky is not clear today, not enough sunshine. Otherwise Switzerland will look beautiful under the sun. Yeah, for kids in the train. in the first floor upper deck. See how beautiful the idea is. No, kids will just play, and we can sit, parents sit and watch. So it is very good idea to keep for kids to play. Excellent. Zurich. Just entered Zurich.
Interregio 70 nach Luzern, Abfahrt 12:10 Uhr vom Gleis 6. Ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving in Zurich main station on platform 34. Please leave this train using right-hand doors when facing the direction of travel. This train continues to Zurich Airport, Winterthur and Romanshorn. Your next connection.
Zurich main station. It's called Hauptbahnhof HB. Got down from this beautiful train after traveling for 1 hour from Bern. So this is the train IC8. So it is going to Romanshorn. I have to go to Romanshorn, but I have to first store my luggage here. Then I will go to Romanshorn and St. Gallen, Appenzell. Then I go to my hostel. So you can see Flughafen. Flughafen means airport, and Winterthur, and then it goes to Romanshorn. So Zurich Flughafen, they are called Flughafen. So you can see Zurich IC8, Romanshorn. This is a kids playing area in the train. Excellent. So now I have to see for the luggage storage, self-storage. So just store my luggage suitcase and I can pay by credit card or cash. So then I will take a train. So maybe test 10-15 minutes. Main train station in Zurich. So I came in the year 2013, but I didn't have time to spend here. But today I will just spend time. So you can see the different timings for the trains. So now the time is 12 o'clock. So you can see the train to Brig, Lausanne. Brig is border to Italy. Lausanne is border to France. Zug from platform 4, platform 5, Schaffhausen. So all the trains are going to different cities in the country. So there are frequent connection to Zurich because Zurich is main city, business capital and excellent city. So now I have to see for the lockers. I can ask. So platform 3 might be, it is towards platform 1. So definitely I will have lockers in somewhere in platform 1 or 2. They are all different platforms. So this is platform 41, 21, 22, 40. So I can't have lockers here. So it must be in the central station or main station. 3. Now the time is 12. The platform 4, 5, 6. You can see all beautiful IC trains. Excellent. Going to different cities. So this is the upper floor, like ground floor. So I am coming from there is -1. So now I have to look for the locker. In front of Zurich station, you can see post, people, trains, platforms, tracks, everything. So I am going to central station, like central building. This is central station, but I am going to central building. So there I can find self-storage lockers. So then I will be free till the evening without my luggage. So I can just enjoy. I can go to St. Gallen, Appenzell and Romanshorn. So these three places I want to visit today. So I think I have to go down. This is the main station, heart of main station. So you can see the big digital boards. So that is excellent. The digital boards always attracts me. So I want to always spend time here. So this is a kiosk. I will have something. I am already feeling hungry. So these are different trains from platform 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can see all display. So I will come back and see the display after storing my luggage. Based on that, I will plan my lunch. I can see lockers left side down. So you can see the symbol. So waiting room. The person waiting with suitcase, that is waiting room. And a suitcase and key, that is locker. And WC, all are downstairs. So clearly visible, no need to ask anyone. So now the time is 12:10, 12:08. So that same watch we can see everywhere in Swiss stations, train stations and Swiss offices, train offices. So I am going down to keep my luggage for next maybe 5-6 hours before I come back from St. Gallen and Romanshorn and Appenzell.